Hi, my loves. I hope everyone is doing fine today. I'm Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and today I'll be sharing with you a DIY canvas art and a spring bedroom refresh decorate with me and tour. So first we'll be doing the DIY, and what I'm showing you right here is a canvas that I purchased from Walmart. It is a 24 by 36, which is a really big size for only $12.99. I thought this was a great deal for this size canvas. So this is what we're going to be using to make our canvas art today. As you know, canvas art and canvases can be quite pricey. So I'm bringing this DIY to you to help you save some coins just like I did. It'll be a beautiful piece of art that you can use anytime and in any room that you like. And I love passing on the savings to my viewers. So right here, I have a modern blue marble shower curtain with gold texture. Now, it is not like it's pictured on what you're looking at right now. It is absolutely nothing like the picture at all. Now, these are the shower curtain rings, just to show you that it is actually a shower curtain. And this is how it actually looks. It is a beautiful design. And you actually can get any design that you would like, but I got this one because this would go perfect with my room that I am designing. Look how pretty that is. It actually does look like marble. I love the gold accents. I love the darker blue in it as well. And I think it's absolutely beautiful. We're going to put this together and I will show you later how it looks in the room. Now these are some wooden wedges that also come with the canvas in case your canvas becomes loose and you can tighten it back up with these wedges. But I won't be using these. So now we'll get started with the DIY canvas art. And as you can see here, this is how it looks, and I'll be turning it over and I'll be working with the inside of the shower curtain. Guys, this project cost me around $27. That's all for a beautiful piece of art that you're going to see later in the video when I show the room reveal.
here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
Thank you, loves, for joining me for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed everything you saw today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Bye-bye, loves.